Is this what your day looks like at your dental practice? You want to provide exceptional care, but your team is stressed trying to stay on schedule. If you're honest, you are not as efficient as you'd like to be, and you haven't had the time to assess the problem or find a solution. It's not your fault. This is probably the way you've been taught. It's disorganization that's getting in your way. It's time to calm the clutter with Color Method by Zirc. Color Method is a dental instrument and material management system that elevates your clinical process and workflow, helping your team perform at their best. Our color-coded products allow you or any team member to recognize exactly what you need by procedure and organize your workflow for minimal effort. In dental practices using the Color Method, clinicians leave chairside 95% fewer times, and their teams spend 45% less time sorting, couching, and loading the autoclave. By getting rid of ambiguity in the organization of instruments and materials, the job of the clinical staff becomes easier and the clinic more profitable. Zirc's Color Method saves time, improves infection control, and gives your patients and teams the stress-free experience they deserve. Because there's no place for confusion or error in the dental operatory. Are you ready to calm the clutter and equip your team for success? Request a demo at colormethod.com.